Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. OpenAI is in panic mode. Less than a month after releasing GPT 5.1, Sam Altman reportedly declared a code red at the company. The result? GPT 5.2. But according to experts and early reviews from PCMag, it might be a case of too little, too late. Today, we are breaking down why GPT 5.2 is struggling to keep up with Google's massive Gemini 3 update. What is GPT 5.2? OpenAI isn't calling this a revolution, they're calling it a refinement. GPT 5.2 is aimed at professional knowledge work. We are talking better spreadsheets, cleaner presentation builds, and agentic coding. Key detail: PCMag notes that for niche power users, 5.2 is a win. It has lower latency and better tool calling, meaning it follows one-line instructions for complex tasks without needing massive system prompts. But for the average user, PCMag says you might not even notice you're using a new model. The Gemini 3 factor. While OpenAI was tweaking its engine, Google rebuilt the car. Gemini 3 has taken over the LMArena leaderboards. It's beating GPT in vision, text to image, and even search. The Nano Banana Pro effect. PCMag points out that Google's Nano Banana Pro model clearly outperforms GPT in image generation and editing. While GPT 5.2 is still mostly a text-heavy thinker, Gemini 3 feels like a true multimodal partner that actually sees and creates better. The benchmarks, who wins where. Let's look at the numbers. On the SWE-bench coding, GPT 5.2 actually holds a slight lead at 80% versus Gemini 76%. If you're a developer building enterprise apps, GPT is still your reliable, sober analyst. But look at MMLO and Vision. Gemini 3 is pulling ahead. PCMag's testing showed that GPT 5.2 still hallucinates on image identification tasks where Gemini 3 is surgical. In one test, Gemini could identify a sixth finger in an AI image with 100% accuracy, while GPT stayed vague. The user experience gap. The biggest takeaway from PCMag? GPT 5.2 feels like it was yanked out of the oven early. It lacks new features. It's an efficiency update masquerading as a new model. Gemini 3, on the other hand, feels appreciably better. It's faster, more creative, and more integrated into the Google ecosystem. Unquote. So is GPT 5.2 a failure? Not if you're a coder or a data scientist. It's the most reliable model for professional work. But in the race for the best all-around AI assistant, Google has taken the crown with Gemini 3. OpenAI's Code Red produced a patch, but Google produced a powerhouse. Which one are you using? Has GPT 5.2 changed your workflow, or are you moving to Gemini? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI showdowns. I'll see you in the next one. Key details to emphasize. Code Red. OpenAI accelerated the 5.2 launch specifically to counter Gemini 3's dominance on leaderboards. Professional versus passion. Consumer. GPT 5.2 is for elite professionals. Coding, spreadsheets, agents. Gemini 3 is for multimodal creativity, vision, video, general use. The sameness problem. PCMag warns that most users will struggle to tell the difference between GPT 5.1 and 5.2. Google's lead. Gemini 3 currently tops leaderboards for text, vision, and image editing. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which agent system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.